Happy World Book Day, cheeky monsters! Happy World Book Day! Happy World Book Day! Happy World Book Day! Happy World Book Day! Happy Book Day! Happy World Book Day!
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters.
Hi, cheeky monsters! Happy World Book Day. Would you like to hear a story with Spike right by my side? Spike, expert explorer! The cheeky monsters that I know often hide from me, but when I need some chill out time, there's one I hope to see.
When Cheeky Monster Spike comes round, we happily daydream and chat about the things we love, like keeping our earth green.
Good idea, Spike tells me.
There's so much that we can do. Let's make a scrapbook of our plans and perhaps some posters too.
So one time at the park, I spied Spike rummaging around.
Naughty little bugs,
I said, and started to help him out. We called, please come and join us, cheeky monsters all around. Help keep our planet clean and clear this litter from the ground.
Spinning in came Violet. She had heard our calls for aid. Then Drago, Rocky and Glitter joined our tidy up parade. Thanks, that's better, Spike exclaimed. Explorers, follow me. Along the winding path we go. What new things will we see?
Through squishy grass, across the stream, we started to explore. We spotted buzzy bugs and plants we'd never seen before. And Spike said, cheeky monsters, help is needed at the double. I can see more litter and some ladybirds in trouble. We hurried to the scene and quickly came up with a plan to help them escape.
Thanks so much, Cheeky Monster Gang.
That was close, said Violet. Is there something we can do to stop the littering of our park and help our bug friends too?
That's it, Spike cried. He gave us each a list of things to find, like bricks and sticks and moss. We wonder what he had in mind.
We stacked everything up.
Wow! Wow!
Check out what we had done. We've made an awesome bug hotel with room for everyone. I pinned up lots of posters to help keep our park space clean. Then it was time to
Party!
for the cheeky monster team.
Later, I felt happy we had helped in our own way. I hope that Spike Expert Explorer calls another day.
Thanks so much, Cheeky Monster Gang. The end.
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters.
Oh, not again. Naughty little bug. Naughty little bug.
Naughty licker bugs. Licker bugs. I'm not saying it right, litter bugs. Spike X Explorer. Thanks so much, Cheeky Monster Gang. Just go. Spike. Spike. Dun 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 dun. Happy World Book Day.
We're all cheeky monsters.
And if you want to join in with more Cheeky Monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?